Hello, it's NY Hunter, and I'm coming to you today, going out for a little ride after fitting my bike with a new seat, which I was able to do. Other people have told me I should be able to, and I didn't think so because of whatever reason, and I could. So there it is. I put saddlebags on as well, so I'm ready to rock. I'm gonna store this camera equipment in there and a selfie stick. We're gonna go down to the beach, not a beach, but what's it called, like the end of the Gerritsen Avenue where my old elementary school is, and just take a peek around. I wanted to take video of that place before, but actually the camera case kept fogging up. I did add Rain X anti-fog last time and it worked really well, so I hope that is still active, and if so, we should get a very clear video. Alright, let's get rocking. Pardon me. Thanks. So I've taken this path quite a few times already. I don't know how many videos it's made it onto, but you should recognize it. It's a very calm street, very comfortable, and today is a very comfortable day, actually. It's a nice, I don't know what temperature it is, but it's cool-ish outside, low humidity. Like I said, very relaxed. I added more air to the tires. They were running low. And got a new seat. My old seat. So it works pretty well. Oh yeah, and then those saddlebags on the back, or panniers, they feel really good too. No surprises so far as weightiness, unbalanced, or anything like that. Little kitty cat crossing the road. Crows in the sky. Or at least it sounds like it. So this is just a little talk on safety, if you can hear me. I'm taking this road because I've taken it so many times, and it's a little bit of a rehab road. The other day, going straight, trying to get to the water and the boats on Sheepshed Bay, I actually flipped. And I flipped because I didn't know what my friends told me is a biking rule, that the rear brake is the one you use in emergencies, even in emergencies, not the front. And this bike has such awesome front brakes that when I hit them, they stop. So yeah, I flipped over, scraped my knee, not too bad, but this is the first ride since that. Actually, it's the second or third ride since that day. I've had a short run for the panniers and a short run for the seat, but yeah, this is the first run that I'll take over 3 miles, I think. So yeah, but mainly, if you guys have rolled over or flipped, you know, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. A couple of my friends. Hi, how are you?
You okay?
I am, thank you. Oh, this is the lady to help me. I'm doing a video. Thank you so much. But yeah, that's the lady that helped me when I fell over and almost got, well, it's because someone in the car almost hit me, and I was freaking out and pressed both brakes at the same time. And yeah, that's what did me in. So anyway, is it a rule that everybody knows? If you don't, keep your fingers only on the rear brake, not the front, because that is the one you're supposed to use in emergencies, and then the front one, if you have a strong one like I do, will flip you over. What else? Oh yeah, and then apparently, you know, this is Brooklyn. It's not as congested as Manhattan, but apparently I was on speed 3 on my bike, or gear 3, and people thought I was going a little too fast for city rides. So I'm sticking it to 2 right now. On the way back I'll probably hit 3, because as you can see, this is pretty easy and pretty empty. This is a bike lane that is pretty well worn. So anyway, in my rides, if you see any other things I should be faulted on or know about, please let me know. I don't know everything it is about riding, and you've heard me yell at other folks before, coming behind you, new biker. So there are definitely things I need to learn. So yeah, but that's the one biggest rule right now. Even now, I have my fingers on the rear brake and leaving my fingers off. Yeah, off the front brake. So I think that's the best plan for me. But oh yeah, also I'm sticking to gear 2 right now, as I mentioned before, because there is some foot traffic and I don't want to get in their way. Good morning, and vice versa. But due to the new panniers and stuff, it's easier for me to carry stuff down here or with me, and so I can carry my selfie stick now too. A lot of other people who do videos hold their selfie stick while riding. I'm not even confident enough to ride with one hand yet for very long, so yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that for a while. But yeah, if I'm riding too slow, feel free to speed up the YouTube video. But this is a very, like I said, a ride that I've taken many, many times already. I'm just using it as a rehab video. I'm almost at 1.5 miles, so yeah, it's good. It's good. And the new seat is a lot comfier too. I've had it from my old bike a long time ago, and I was able to attach it to this bike. I didn't know I could because of all of the junk that was strapped to the bottom of that seat, but you can remove all that and attach it. All right, and we are here. Oh yeah, rear brakes only, see? Woo! Yay! Ah, beautiful. Okay. Do. Yeah. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so like I said, I've wanted to show you guys this place for a while now, but because of the way the weather has been and the protective case over the camera, it's actually been fogging up every single time I've wanted to come down here. So, but it's really nice. Like if we take a look back here, this was the street where my elementary was, and some of my friends lived over there to the left, and yeah, had some good times over here. Let's get a skyward view. Yep, so the thing is, the highway is right over there, and then the other bike trail we've been on is on the other side of the highway, but down, further down that way. But yeah, this is just a little bit of fun. I just love this area, it's really peaceful. But yep, we'll get ready to go. Just a nice relaxing fine day for a ride. It's too bad I don't have time to go to the back bike trail I told you about. It goes for miles next to the highway. go across the street and do that. Alright, you've seen this intersection before. There's a bit of time left before I have to work. Okay. I'll go this way. If they reopen the ring, which I don't think they did. I see a fence on the other side. done and they kept the fences off. Should be beautiful as far as the ring goes. Should really help biking in the winter, which is pretty scary. Too crowded. Too crowded. Oh, not yet 5. Oh yeah, it's over 3, but not yet 5. Oh well. The end. Please like, please subscribe.